Hi everybody. I thought I would stop here in the Grassie neighborhood where there is this trail, and I think it's the Reg Wyatt trail that spans almost 2 kilometers through the neighborhood through a number of parks, including this park right beside Archambault and Concordia, and then the Graaf Nature Trail and the Inderjit Clare Park, and then all the way through, and it keeps on going. I'll give you more information in a little map below, but if you get a chance, come and walk this trail. It's very pretty and it's kind of nice to enjoy through the neighborhood. Let's go take a look.